It's your ShopRite Wellness partner, Shelby RD, and we are talking about fun and easy ways to entertain this summer season. And I have a very trendy concept here, and that is mocktails. Right now, there are a lot of really delicious and really refreshing drinks out there that harken to your favorite spirits, but are actually made alcohol-free. And that is what we are doing today with a little bit of a grilled twist. So to start with our base, we are doing a really tropical pina colada. So we have a cup and a half of pina colada mix. We have a half a cup of mango juice, which is really gonna add that nice tropical flavor. And then a little bit of extra acidity with a quarter cup of orange juice. I'm adding all of that to a blender with 3 cups of ice. And we're going to just blend that up on high until it's nice and combined. A fun tip to not dilute any of your blended drinks is instead of using ice, you can actually use frozen fruit, and that's going to add even more flavor. So for this particular drink, instead of 3 cups of ice, you can use 3 cups of frozen mango, or combine frozen mango and frozen pineapple chunks, and then you're not going to dilute the drink. You're actually going to have it be nice and frozen and even more flavorful. So now let's make this look really pretty and really fun. I'm going to pour this in. And then we are going to garnish it with some grilled pineapple. Now for garnishes, I like to purchase from the ShopRite produce section the cored pineapple so that I don't have to go through the process of cutting up a whole pineapple just for my garnish. And these work really nicely if you just make that indentation so that you can just put it around the glass. But not just yet, because we grilled it up to get that extra summery flavor, that extra sweetness and char that comes from putting fruit on a grill. It's always a really great idea if you have that fruit and you have the grill on, pop it on there, because in a minute or two, you're going to have all of those natural sugars come out just by heating it up, and you're going to get it tasting even more caramelized and even more dessert just from that heating it up. We'll take a toothpick and put a cherry or 2 on here, and you have the perfect grilled pineapple pina colada mocktail. Don't forget to like this video and make sure to follow us for more recipes.